guys, my name is Shakshi Priya and welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you a skincare haul. All the products I bought is from Nykaa and Amazon, and all these products are not repurchases. That means I'm buying these products for the first time, and for that reason I won't be sharing a detailed review of the products because of course these are the new products which I received just now. So I'll just be sharing my first impressions about the products. Yeah, that's it for the intro. So let's get started with the video. So guys, the first product is Innisfree Aloe Revital Soothing Gel. This is 300 ml of tube which retails for 550 rupees. Quite a big tube, and I think this will easily last me 4 or 5 months. Okay, so talking about the consistency of the product, it's gel-like and it gets absorbed in skin within a minute or two. By the way, I have oily skin type and I have been using this as my day moisturizer from last 3 to 4 days, and it has been working fine for me. But I don't use it as my night cream or gel, whatever you want to say, because it's not hydrating enough. So that's my first impression about this product. Yeah, now let's move on to our second product. So guys, the second product is Sebamed Clear Face Care Gel for acne prone skin. This is 50 ml of tube which retails for 476 rupees. I know a bit expensive, but I think it's difficult to maintain acne prone skin, and I've heard really good reviews about the products. That's why I wanted to try it out. By the way, it has gel-like consistency. Actually, I like everything which has gel-like consistency because I have oily skin type. Okay, so I won't be able to share my first impression of how it felt on my skin because I haven't tried it yet. But of course, I'm looking forward to try it, and I'll share my review about this product soon. So guys, the next product is Bioderma Purifying Cleansing Foaming Gel. This is 45 ml of tube which retails for 375 rupees. Now I'm using it from last 4 to 5 days, and I'm a bit confused about this product honestly, and as this is an expensive product like 45 ml for 375 rupees for a face wash, so that's why I want to give it a fair try. I think I'll try to complete almost the full tube and then I'll share my review about this product. By the way, it has a watery runny texture and it is blue in color, and that's all I want to say about this face wash for now. I want to try it out first and then I will share the review about this product. Okay guys, so here comes my favorite product from the haul, and that is Plum Lip Balm in the flavor Melon Bubble Yum. This is such a good product and it smells so good. Like, tell you only one thing. If you like bubblegum flavor or smell, and if you don't have any issue with having fragrance in your lip care product, then definitely go ahead with this. You will definitely love it. Now talking about the fragrance and color. Fragrance, of course, it has bubblegum fragrance, and if you look in the tub, it has pink color, but when you apply it on your lips, it gives that transparent look. It doesn't give any color. Okay, now talking about the moisturization part, it is really lightweight and moisturizing, but I don't think that it will be moisturizing enough for extremely dry chappy lips. So if you have extremely dry chappy lips, I don't think you should go ahead with this product. But if your lips are not dry or chappy and you don't mind fragrance in your lip care product and you like bubblegum flavor, go ahead with this. You will definitely love it. Okay guys, so the last two products are from Kaya. This is Kaya Acne Free Purifying Cleanser and this is Kaya Acne Free Purifying Toner. So first I'll talk about Kaya Acne Free Purifying Cleanser. So this is 50 ml of tube which retails for 150 rupees, of course affordable, and it is written on the tube that this has salicylic acid, and this is especially for oily and combination skin type. So of course I had to use this. Okay, now this is salicylic acid and this is a form of BHA. So, but this comes in a wash-off product. Like salicylic acid is there in the wash-off product, that is cleanser. So I don't mind using it in the morning as well as evening. So I'm really looking forward to try this product because this is affordable, and if it works on my skin, then yeah. Okay. Now talking about Kaya Acne Free Purifying Toner. So this is with mandelic acid and is again for oily and combination skin. So this is 100 ml of bottle which retails for 320 rupees. It has watery consistency and it looks exactly like water, transparent in color. Now it has mandelic acid which is a form of AHA, and the mandelic acid is third in the ingredient list. So I don't think that it's suitable to be used every day, and of course I'm not using it in the morning. So I'm really looking forward to try this product because I've heard great reviews about it, and people say that it works great for fungal acne, and I have few on my forehead. So I'm looking forward to try both of these products from Kaya, which comes in their acne free range. So guys, that's it for my today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found this helpful, and if you did, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.